Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. From the day one when I started my YouTube channel, DevOps Molvi, I have been getting one common request, one common message from my fellows, from my LinkedIn DMs and on my TikTok account that you must start a YouTube channel for DevOps tutorials in Hindi or Urdu. Since I belong to Pakistan and therefore my mother tongue is Urdu. And in Pakistan and India, people speak Urdu or Hindi. So, in order to cover that language barrier, I have started DevOps Molvi Hindi channel where I am going to upload DevOps and DevOps tools tutorials in Hindi and Urdu. And I have already uploaded a couple of tutorials on my DevOps Molvi Hindi YouTube channel. So make sure that you are going to subscribe it as well. So that's the major announcement that I was going to make for a couple of days. And one last thing that I want to know you guys that I'm following the same roadmap that I have covered on DevOps Molvi English channel. So in other words, you can also say that every English tutorial that I have uploaded on DevOps Molvi is translated and explained in Urdu or Hindi on DevOps Molvi Hindi channel. So you can search DevOps Molvi Hindi on your YouTube search and you will find that channel. And also I'm going to share the channel link in the description. So that's why I always ask you people for your suggestions and comments and feedback. And that's why I sincerely appreciate your suggestions. And this is actually the outcome of your suggestions that you must create a YouTube channel for DevOps tutorials in Hindi or Urdu. So if you have any other feedback, make sure to let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next lecture. Have a good one. Bye.